Hi, I am Ananya Chatterjee. So today we are going to solve a statistical question. That is, the question is given us in an examination involving multiple choice questions. A students work out the solution in 50% of the questions. In the remaining questions, the student guesses the answer. However, when the answer is guessed, the probability that it is correct is 0.3. When the student works out the solution, it may be wrong with probability 0.1. So, if the answer to a particular question is correct, what is the probability that the student gets the answer? Okay. So, moving to the solution, that is at first we start with let let W be the student works out the solution. Okay. And G be the student guesses the answer. Okay. And C is the answer is correct. Oh, now it is given that the probability that the student works out the solution is given as 0.5 and the probability of guesses is given as 0.5. Oh, now what we can see is that when the student guesses the probability that the answer is correct, probability that the answer is correct is correct given that he or she guesses. That is 0.3. Okay. And and when the student works out the solution, the probability of getting a correct answer is 1 minus 0.1, where 0.1 is the probability of the answer to be wrong. Then the probability of getting the answer correct is 0.9. Okay. Now we proceed that we need to find what is the probability that he or she guesses given that the answer is correct. Okay. So now by Bayes theorem, what is Bayes theorem? Yeah, by Bayes theorem, we can say that the probability that it is a guess given that it is a correct answer is probability correct answer given that it is a guess, probability of getting a guess divided by probability of getting a correct answer. Right? Now, probability of getting a correct answer is equal to probability of getting a correct answer given it is a guess into probability of a guess plus the probability of getting a correct answer given it works out of probability it works out. Okay. So now probability of getting a correct answer is 0.3 into 0.5 plus 0.9 into 0.5. Okay. That is 0.6. If we add these two, first multiply, then add these two, we get the value 0.6. Now, probability of getting, probability that it is a guess given that it is a correct answer is 0.3 into 0.5 divided by 0.6. That is 0.15 by 0.6. That is the answer is 0.25. So by this we can tell that the first option is the correct answer. That is 0.25. Okay. Thank you.